Hello, and thank you for renting with us on Turo. We really hope that you enjoyed your time here on the island in Hawaii. Whenever you are returning the vehicle and you're approaching the airport, you want to stay towards the right lane. The right lane will take you to terminals 1 and 2 arrivals. This is where the entrance to the parking deck will be located. Continue in this lane and do not switch lanes at all. You will end up under a sign that says parking for Terminal 2 arrivals. The turn for the parking garage will be right after this curve. As you take the curve, get into the turning lane and you will immediately see a sign for Terminal 1 parking and the International Garage. As you continue straight, there will be additional signage telling you to go to the left for the parking garage. As you make the left turn, you want to get into the left lane for the international parking structure. Do not get in the right lane. It will take you to the Terminal 1 parking garage, which is the incorrect one. As you continue forward towards the gate, once you stop, the reader should read the license plate and it will automatically open. But if it does not, simply just take a ticket and the gate will lift for you. As you continue, you are going to want to make a right turn towards the international garage. If you go straight, there will be no parking and you will be exiting the airport. Make that right turn and then go up to levels 7 and 8 and you will be able to park the vehicle and go to your terminal for your departure.